What does the future hold for Ondo Finance? This is Ondo USDT or USD, very similar. What is going on with this coin since the last time I've talked about it? I haven't talked about it for maybe a couple of months actually. So last time I talked about it, I said there was a falling wedge pattern, right, on Ondo, and this is it broke out of here back in April, right, which is basically the pivotal point for a lot of crypto for stocks, right? And broke out of here because falling wedges usually break to the upside, and it's definitely a pattern you guys should be paying attention to. It's the most common pattern that I see on my charts that tells you after an extensive downtrend that the price action usually breaks back out to the upside. Ondo here broke out, right? Hasn't done too much, but this breakout is still valid because the price action is still above this upward trend line here. And a lot of times you will see price action breaking out of a falling wedge pattern and it kind of goes on a little bit of a downtrend afterwards. But as long as the price action is still above this upward trend line here, this breakout still valid, and this price target of about $1.90 for Ondo is still valid. Now, price targets are estimates only, very much depends on the overall market, which what I mean is this a bullish market? Is it a sideways market? Or is it a bearish market? I still think we're in a very bullish market because Bitcoin just broke out of its huge pattern with the resistance to be at about 110K. That is still the driver of this market. I don't trade altcoins without a clear understanding of what Bitcoin is doing. I will link you guys to my Bitcoin video I did earlier today after this video. Make sure to check it out. Very important. Now, if Bitcoin holds that 110K level and continues upwards, I have very little doubt that these altcoins are going to be doing very well this bull cycle. Okay. However, if Bitcoin dumps, that's very bad for the altcoins. Now, since Ondo has broken out of this weekly time frame here, okay, I see that it has been running. It's trying to stay on top of the daily 200 SMA, which is very important, right? For all types of significance, which is the orange line here at about 95 cents. Very important for Ondo to actually break out of this upper trend line here. If it doesn't want to range in this possible symmetrical triangle pattern, which is still bullish, but you're gonna be ranging some more down to the downside. Okay, this is my estimate. It's not a formed symmetrical triangle pattern. So very important for Ondo to break this upper trend line if it wants to see more upside soon, right? So this is basically what I'm seeing for Ondo from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame, and of course taking into consideration of Bitcoin and the overall crypto markets as a driver. I am long on Bitcoin. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here. So my opinion on this market is still bullish. If you guys want to if you guys want to see any other coins in this market, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, or let me know if you guys want to continue seeing Ondo for updates. I'll see you on the next one.